Here's a 2-gallon easy kit. As you can see, the links, one is for the instructions, the other is for the actual kit directions. Let's take a look at the box here. Now the 2-gallon hard kit is going to be able to come in a much smaller box. Okay. So a 2-gallon easy kit is going to have the pot bottom already pre-done, the thumper already pre-done, and the cap kit already pre-done. These 3 pieces are the hardest pieces and the ones that make it so it kind of ensures the success of the whole overall build. A hard kit would be these 3 pieces not soldered. They would come loose like this. We can still decide which one we want to do. So right here, pot, cone, cap kit on the top there, thumper, then the worm, and then all the tubing pieces. Enough solder to finish the job, enough flux to finish the job, the temperature gauge, the brass pieces, the plug and the bushings, the unions, all the fittings, the coil, and of course the instructions to do it, the support to finish it,